Welcome. This is the Mitochondrial Biohacking DNA Activation for Human Ascension. Let's begin by finding your quiet space where you can fully surrender, sitting down or lying down comfortably, allowing your body to begin relaxing, letting your breath deepen, bringing you gently into the sacred space. This is a guided meditation to identify, locate, and clear your mitochondrial functioning and its genetic records. We are preparing your body and spirit for higher functioning and the activation of your divine DNA blueprint. Taking a deep breath in, exhaling slowly, allowing yourself to open. We now hold the sacred intention to clear the mitochondrial functioning in your body and genetic records. In order to align with higher divine templates and allow for DNA activation, the mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They create energy in the form of ATP, energy that can be consciously directed to plug in, build, and activate our higher DNA. This happens through the bonding of masculine activation codes and feminine base codes on the double helix DNA ladder. So we begin. Imagine yourself in a blue bubble as you are incubated in this frequency. What we will do today is opening your DNA records to return to its original God blueprint. As I put you in this bubble, you will receive blue light frequencies that improves ATP synthesis by acting as an alternative electron carrier in the electron transport chain. This allows it to bypass dysfunctional components and directly transferring electrons to cytochrome C, boosting ATP generation even if compromised mitochondria. If you don't understand what I say, that's okay. Your higher self will receive and calibrate accordingly. Our DNA records have time locks. Several of our ancestors, your ancestors, will not give access to anyone that is not in accordance to the law of one, because it can alter past or future timelines. I work in the timeless, and so when I do these reconstructions, I am also repairing the architecture which is in 6D. I have to abide by universal laws, and in this meditation, we will uphold the law of gender, the law of neutrality, and the law of polarity with the guidance of your highest self and the consensus of your ancestry. As I open your field, let's now visualize a soft blue light above your head, a crystalline liquid light frequency. This frequency is gentle, electric, soothing. This is the blue frequency intelligence, the light of restoration, soul truth, and mitochondrial healing. With your breath, let's begin to draw this blue light down from the top of your head, letting it wash through your brain, calming your mind and soothing your thoughts, allowing it to move down to your throat and your heart, clearing and softening all that it touches. Draw the light down even further into your solar plexus, into your belly, and now with intention, guiding it into your cells, bringing your awareness deep into the body, deep into the cellular field. Within every cell is a sacred engine. This mitochondrion, these are the light stations of your biology, transforming energy into life. As we visualize this blue light entering your cells, each mitochondrion beginning to glow, to awaken, and to pulse. Thousands and millions, all flickering with light. You may sense a tingling sensation, warmth, or some vibrational shift. This is the intelligence of your soul meeting the memory of your biology. Taking a deep breath in, feeling, receiving. I activate the light within my cells. I remember my original frequency. And now we ask this blue light to sweep through your mitochondria, clearing any stagnation, clearing inherited patterns, clearing trauma or exhaustion stored in the cellular memory. Anywhere you have carried depletion, fatigue, grief, or any disconnection, we're offering it to the light. Breathing in deeply as this intelligent frequency washes your cells, renews your membranes, reset cellular ATP engines of your divine vessel. I release what no longer serves. I restore my energy circuits to the divine design. And now bringing your attention to your heart, feeling its rhythm, its frequency. See this blue light connecting your heart, your brain, and your mitochondria, like a triangle of power, intelligence, and love. Let these systems begin to speak to one another again. Heart to brain, brain to cell, cell to soul. Visualize as golden threads of light connecting to all three. This is coherence. This is your original intelligence. Breathing back into alignment. I am in harmony with my divine intelligence. I live from coherence, clarity, and truth. And now expanding your awareness to your full light body, this luminous field surrounding your form. This is your template, your multi-dimensional design. Letting the blue light now expand beyond your cells, flowing into your Nadial structure, the energetic nervous system, your electromagnetic field, and your crystalline DNA coding. Visualize this frequency traveling along the meridian points, repairing any light grids, awakening any dead light, activating dormant memory, reawakening your soul's blueprint. Inhaling in, exhaling out, allowing this light to penetrate deep into your microbiology, your cells, feeling the energy settle in, feeling the light weave itself into your biology. You're now being recalibrated. You're being remembered. As we place our hand over our heart, anchor this new alignment. Repeat this final affirmations along or silently. My body is a temple of light. My mitochondria are divine energy gates. I am restored, aligned, and sovereign. I embody my sacred vitality. Taking another deep breath into the belly, holding it in, letting it penetrate all over your cells, exhaling slowly, softly, completely, beginning to bring back this gentle awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes. Feel the surface beneath you. Come back fully into the now, clear, empowered, and whole. And when you're ready, open your eyes and feel this light still within you, recalibrating your whole system. Know that this is just the beginning. What you've just experienced is a preview, a soft ignition of your cellular light to journey deeper into your Nadial repair, Blu-ray integration, and multi-glandular recalibration. I invite you to step into the full blue flame frequency, mitochondrial light body activation. Your body knows the way, and your soul is ready. We are awakening the new wave of humans. The full meditation and activation will be linked down below.